Right, just a quick video here like showing how we take the fascia off our screen, and then also how we can adjust the height of this like DIN box. Now this might be need to be done at times if there's a replacement happening and we have to send you like a replacement unit. Normally we'll just send you the screen and this DIN box, and you can just pull the screws out of your fascia and so swap it over and keep all the plugs the same. And then the height one here, the height up and down, this could be because maybe the one we send you out is a different height, or maybe when you're doing the install you're like, oh, I wouldn't mind lifting it up a bit to give a bit more room. Normally the height should be good for what we've said, but it can be adjusted. So to take the fascia off, around here you got 1, 2, I've already taken them out here, 4 screws. So they are like Phillips screws, so just take these out. There could also be one in the middle at the top and one in the bottom. There'll be 4 or 5 screws. Once those are out, you can just push the unit forward and pull the fascia off. And so you can see we're just left with the unit now. When you're doing this, always probably do this on a soft surface. I put a towel down or whatnot on the car seat just to ensure the screen doesn't get damaged. Now to adjust the height here, you can see we can actually bring this up a bit higher. So to do that, what we have to do is unscrew this side, unscrew this side. Now if you were replacing the screen and the height sort of match the one we had sent you, don't worry about the step, or if you find you can sort of put it back in and it isn't going to hit anything, then you don't have to do this step. So don't worry about this. This is just if you do need to adjust the height of the DIN box here. So these 4 come out, and then what you have to do is there's a couple cables here, so it's just a little bit of care is needed, but you're always going to be okay when you do it. As you come down, you just give us a little pull, it comes off, and you'll see what I mean in a second about there's a few sort of cables connected here. If you sit it down next to it like that, and then you can adjust these ones. So these ones take a little bit more time because you've got 3 here. Once that's out, you can shift it up to wherever you want. So I just move it up 1 hole here, screw them back in, like that. And I'm just going to do the same on the other side. So I'll move these up as well. Right, so I've done both of those. Just like a small note, it can be a bit tight to put back on sometimes, but if you just sort of do one at the same time, this one actually wasn't tight at all. But I'll show you what I mean when I say they can be a little bit tight. Down here, if you give it a bit of a push here, it'll click in because it has these little notches here. If it is a bit tight, you can just bend that little tab out like a little bit, and you'll be okay. But basically, screw these back in, and you can see that whole box has been lifted up 1 level now. So that is just how you do that. Then I'll put these both in, and then I'll go around and do the other side, and that is all done. So that is how you lift up the DIN box and how you remove the fascia from the screen.